Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD against Chinese yuan, gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Chinese yuan first. So basically what I found here is that we finally got a breakout of the key pivot. We spoke about this days ago, about this I'll just go to the weekly now and show you that there is a building higher lows, and we broke more like a ascending triangle. We broke the key pivot, which was at 6.7955, and we can see on the daily that there was a one big up day. This was like 3 days ago, and the market basically closed on the high. And now we can see basically that market did an ordinary pullback just to retest the previous swing highs, and today we have a higher high already and higher low so far. Rate of change just starting to the fresh up reading. So from my perspective, this has potential for much bigger movement in the next period, right? But at least for the next pivot level, which is on the left at 6.8390. So watch for buying opportunities on the intraday dips. If there is even bigger power, we can see the price maybe on all up to 7.800 mark or 7.1675. So this area here, short medium speaking, that's also an option. If we basically just do the calculation of this ascending triangle, for example, then there is this level, but again, this is just one of the ways to watch, and it's the projection at 6.9640. So I really like the strong upside momentum, the growth in the background, a nice continuation pattern on the daily and the weekly, and the breakout from 3 days ago. Plus there is this pullback, and seems like market wants to re-establish this upside cycle again. Speaking of the gold market, we can basically, and I suggested here, there was a downside breakout of this consolidation. The channel market basically reached some downside objectives at 1767 and 1756. Now what is the situation here is that market, we just go to the 2-hour time frame. We didn't test this 1755, but we can see that market is building some consolidation triangle movement. So if the market will start to do the downside from here, then watch for this breakout to the downside and potential objective at 1755 and even to the 740 mark. So consolidation on the gold, watch for potential breakout to the downside. If there will be a break to the upside, then we have lots of potential resistances at 1770 and 1772. So since we're in the down cycle, the downside breakout will be preferable of this consolidation triangle. If we speak about the crude oil market, we can basically find that on 2 hour we had this level here survived. The market tried to trade, but it actually, we made like a double bottom here. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see there was some kind of bull divergence there. Market reacted towards the middle Keltner line. At this stage, market is still sidewaysing, but again, potential pivot to watch. It's 19.30. Can we retake that and retest that or not? We'll find out. Intraday frames. We're building some higher lows on the 15-minute time frame, and which seems like we want to break this pivot here. So watch potential breakout of 88.40 to confirm further upside movement. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we had a breakout yesterday of the more like a rising wedge. But so far, what I'm seeing, and if I go, let's say, to the 2-hour time frame, is that there was a consolidation here, and market is basically building some kind of consolidation contraction, symmetrical triangle. So ideally, I would like the downside breakout of this triangle in order to confirm the further downside continuation, right? So one potential test of 22,700 mark or 22,400 mark. So triangle here and downside breakout will be preferable. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy, guys. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.